Hey, again. Okay, so on our way to the composting pile, I wanted to show you this windmill. This windmill was built by my husband's grandfather, and it is cemented into the ground. It is not going anywhere, but it is a really neat piece of garden decoration that I love, and it's just one of my favorites back here, so I just wanted to show you. Let's go walk over to the composting pile real quick. Here we go. Here comes Z. He may bomb the video. He likes to do that. Just go along with it. This is the gardening shed. Not only have I never even planted a plant in my life or taken care of one, I've never had a garden shed either. So
It's also heated.
Ooh, hubby said it's just heated. Hey, ooh, I could probably grow things in there during the winter. Huh. Shed garden. Give me tips. All right, so here we have 6 compost piling stations. All right, so the first thing I guess I need to do is clean them all out. And I need to know when to start doing the compost pile and what the steps are. Step 1, I need to do this. Step 2, I need to learn how to do this. I have no idea. 1 is because I would like composting soil for all of the gardens. And 2, they do not recycle here. So I want to cut down on the amount of trash that we take to the dump. There's a recycling station in Missoula, but it's not for free. If you take glass, cardboard, or anything else, even though they're going to be recycling it, you have to pay for that service. So I would like to really cut down on what we recycle. Anything that I can put in the compost pile, let me know. Okay, now we're going to go to the third and last garden, so meet me over there in just a minute.